Good evening, students. We are discussed about previous types of the pollutions. Another one topic e-waste management. E-waste management, for example, e-waste waste of the electronics, electrical goods have reached their end of life. The electronic products often contain the hazards and toxic materials and should not be dumped with other wastages. For example, along with the China, India is a largest importer of the e-waste from the developing countries like USA and UK. USA and UK. అంటే we are importing the other countries. Importing the other countries, they are developing countries. For example, US and UK and Japan. So those are the in the developing countries. We are importing the electronic and e-waste management. In our India, the 90% of the mobile equipments are imported in other countries. For example, Japan and UK and in US. In the e-waste management types of the in the 5 types, those are the solid waste, municipal waste, electronic waste, biomedical waste. Biomedical waste. The solid waste and municipal waste and electronic waste, biomedical waste. The solid waste in the another one types in the waste telecommunication waste. The telecommunication wastage are the 4 types. Those are the mobile phones. Telecommunication wastage is mobile phones and the telephone exchange, wireless equipments, cables and related scrap materials, PC and TVs. And another one, electrical waste. Electrical waste are the 3 types. Those are the switches, relays, connectors and related scrap materials. Another one is the electrical waste. Electronic waste. Electronic material waste, printed in the circulated boards and e-equipment and the machinery, ICs and sockets and connectors. And cable waste. Cable waste is PVC and insulated copper and aluminum cable waste. Aluminum cable waste. Electron effect of e-waste on the environment. The emissions from the waste create the environmental damage. The toxic chemical from e-waste enter the solid crop and food protein. Those are not the biodegradable and cause soil pollution. E-waste dumping yard and nearby the in the places or the polluted or the cause health hazards. In the effect of the e-waste and human body. Effect on e-waste on human body. For example, lead damage the central and peripheral nervous system and blood system and kidney damage. Affect brain development of children. In the chromium